7/8 high here. Minus a half. Careful, just don't step on them. Okay? It was 0 at the door. 1/8, that's good. One half, that's good. Here. Minus an inch. More or less. Minus a quarter, that's good. Minus 1 3/4. That's low. Okay.
Yep, you can see it.
You can see it, right? Assume that this is the same level, okay? Minus 1 7/8, 2 inches. Okay, this has probably about what, a quarter of an inch or so? Or,
Yeah, I'd say.
okay, I'm gonna take it right here, okay?
Minus a quarter, right?
Minus 2 3/4, 3 inches.
3 inches.
Minus 1 7/8. Minus 1 1/2, right?
Yeah.
And so let's say it's 1 1/4 because of
Yeah.
the quarter inch. So that's quite a bit of look. They didn't raise it. That's what I'm telling you.
I think
Go over here.
they did raise it. They just
They
probably
didn't raise it
couldn't.
enough.
Yeah.
From the front to here is 2 1/8. They didn't raise it.
Yeah, not over here.
Over here, 1/8. From here to the door is level. It's just a big dip in here. Okay. This is good. 1/2 is just on that area is bad. They didn't finish doing a good job.